Today we're going to be looking at finding the product of three numbers. Here you can see in front of us we've got a multiplication equation with three factors. The first factor, the second factor and the third factor, and we need to find the product. Whenever we're faced with a question like this, it's really important to remember that we can use commutativity to help us. So we need to understand that we can rearrange these digits and multiply in any order and it will give us the same product. So first of all, let's do 5 times 7 times 2, and let's do it in the order in which it's written. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. I'm just going to write this underneath to help me. 35 multiplied by 2 is 70. Okay. What about if we change the order? Let's say we did 2 times 5 times 7. So 2 times 5 times 7. So 2 times 5 is 10. I'm going to write that underneath. Times 7 equals 70. So we've done 5 times 7 times 2. We've done 2 times 5 times 7. We could do 2 times 7 times 5. So 2 times 7 is 14, times by 5, you guessed it, still 70. So what you can see here is that whatever order we choose to multiply these three numbers in, we will get exactly the same product. So we can use commutativity to our advantage. Here we've got a multiplication again with three factors. Now we could do 5 times 3, which is 15, and then 15 times 8. And we could work that out, but it's not the easiest way to do it. What we want to do is find a way to use our knowledge of multiplication or multiplication facts to do this as quickly and as accurately as possible. So what we need to do is we need to look at the factors that we've been given and work out which bit we think would be easiest to do first. Well, I know that 5 times 8 gives me 40, and 40 is a nice and easy number to multiply because it is a multiple of 10. Then I need to multiply it by 3. 40 times 3, well, we can do 3 times 4, which is 12, and then multiply it by 10 again. It's 120. Here we have another multiplication with three factors. In what order would you do the calculation? Now obviously there's no wrong order because you're always going to get the same product. But you need to look for the easiest way to do it, because when it's easier you're far less likely to make mistakes and you're far more likely to be able to do it quickly. So I'm looking to make some nice easy round numbers. I know that 6 times 5 would give me 30, 6 times 7 would give me 42, 5 times 7 would give me 35. So I like the idea of working with 30, so I'm going to do 6 times 5. 6 times 5 is 30. Now if you struggle to keep track of the numbers or the factors that you've used, you can just put a little tick above them. So right, I know that I've only got the 7 left. Right. I know that 7 times 3 is 21. Then I need to multiply it back by 10. So 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5 is 210.